Welcome to another exciting episode of Musa and Show. Here is what we have today.
Sanibona, namuhla ngifisa sikhulume ngendaba ye-Ithala Bank. Bengibukela ividiyo izolo la isilo samabandla wonke inkosi uMisuzulu kaZwelithini ebekakhuluma khona kwimbizo wayese ethinta indaba ye-Ithala Bank. Ngiyafisa ukuthi ngithule ukuthi utheni. Kodwa ngaphambi bangene lapho angikhumbuze kubantu ukuthi Ithala Bank liyibank elakhandwa kwaZulu Natal. Ihulumeni wakwaZulu Natal uyi-major shareholder naye kulelo bank. Ithala Bank ke bathi ke lineyinkinga zezimali kodwa lina 65 years likhona. 65 years lasungulwa. Kodwa ke kuyihlazo nje kancane ukuthi ngathi sekuna 30 years of democracy kuze kube namhlanje Ithala Bank alizange libe ibank elipheleleyo ngokuthi belingenayo ilicense. I-Reserve Bank yalinikeza nje exemption ukuthi ali-operate phansi kwe-exemption elivumela ukuthi lithatha ama-deposit kuphela kodwa lingabi ibank. Umthelelo omubi ke ngokuliquidate kwe-Ithala Bank ukuthi kubalwa abantu ababalelwa ku-400 abazophelelwa umsebenzi. Cabanga ke kule economy esikuyo uma ngathiwa unemployment rate nje mangathiwa ke kuno-400 abantu abazophelelwa umsebenzi. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi lento yenza ukuthi nesilo sikhulume ngakanti noBaba uNtuli oNdunankulu oPrime Minister wakwaZulu Natal ukhulumile naye. Ngizocaphuna kuBaba uNtuli, ngicaphune uOmphile Mawude o-Treasurer General we-EFF bese ke ngicaphuna isilo samabandla wonke. Emveni kwalapho ke zobe sengitetele sengilindele ukuza umbono wakho ukuthi wena ubona kanjani mayelana nalolu daba kulesimo esenzakalayo. Siyakhumbula ukuthi Ithala Bank bona bahambe baye enkantolo bayophikisana nalesinqumo besesithathwe eReserve Bank ukuthi kuthiwa liquidate Ithala bebeyophikisana nabo. Angakezwa ke ukuthi inkantolo itheni kodwa nje ukuthula kanje kusho ukuthi kusenethemba phela ukube akuhambanga kahle ngabe basazisini. Okwamanje ngizocaphuna uBaba uNtuli okuyena uNdunankulu wePrime Minister yase-KZN siza ukuthi uthini emveni kwakhe sobe sesicaphuna uOmphile Mawude o-Treasurer General we-EFF emveni kwakhe ke sesicaphuna isilo samabandla wonke sizwe sona ukuthi sithini.
We must give assurance the people of KwaZulu Natal that Ithala will never be buried alive. We are there to ensure that Ithala is being sustained. We will fight using all platforms and weapons we have. We'll fight in the valleys, in the rivers and in the hills and even the dark forest to ensure that we preserve Ithala, because as I've mentioned that Ithala is not a legacy of a KwaZulu government only or KwaZulu Natal government or Prince Mawude only, but is an institution of the people of KwaZulu Natal. Is the hope for the economic development of the township economy and the rural economy. Hence it's important that then we really do everything it takes to save Ithala. And we are going to save Ithala. We are going to fight for the preservation of Ithala.
Njengoba umuzi uBaba uNtuli la echaza ukuthi ufuna ukupha abantu bakwaZulu Natal assurance ukuthi angeke bavuma ukuthi Ithala life ngoba Ithala liyingxenye yomnotho kwaZulu Natal. Uthi ke bazozama ngakho konke okusemandleni, bazolwa ngakho konke abanakho ukuthi bavikele Ithala ukuthi lingavali. So uma esho kanje lokho kupha ithemba nje bethi bazozama noma yini abangase bayenze. Futhi akusho uBaba uNtuli la ukuthi Ithala Bank alilona ifa lenkosi uMangosuthu Buthelezi noma ke mhlambe kuthiwa wayeyingxenye yokusungulwa kwalo kodwa aliyona ifa. Manje ke ingakho ngithe i-major shareholder ye-Ithala Bank i-government yase-KZN. So ke ukufa ke kwalo kusho ukuthi kunabantu abawu-400 abazophelelwa umsebenzi and kubantu ababhenka nalo bathi banapha 250,000 yabantu nje ababhenka neThala.
I would want to invest in a country that is marked by violence, by by unemployment, because all the socio-economic conditions of our people are the ones that leads to this crime rate that is skyrocketing. The levels of poverty are still high in the country. The levels of inequalities are still high in the country. The levels of unemployment. These three issues will not be resolved for as long as the Reserve Bank doesn't play a central role in the economy of this country. Look at the Itala Bank, for an example, which is something that we're going to debate this week as the Finance Portfolio Committee. You wouldn't be having the issues that Itala is having if you had a Reserve Bank that has got the interest of the people at heart and not the interest of the private banks. At the moment, the private banks are too powerful, and they're being made powerful because they've got shares in the Reserve Bank. They control what happens in the Reserve Bank. Remove the banks from the Reserve Bank. Let the Reserve Bank be owned by the state so that it can dictate what needs to happen to our people. And I can tell you, Thabo, it's one of the things, this Reserve Bank being privatized came in the dawn, in the transition between apartheid and democracy. When white people realized that they're going to lose power, they said, we can't lose power in its entirety. So let's hold on to two things. And one of the two things is the issue of the land, and it's the issue of the financial sector. And they hang on to the financial sector through the Reserve Bank. So we need to transform the financial sector through nationalization of the Reserve Bank.
Njengoba umuzwa la Omphile Mawuti owu-Treasurer General we-EFF uyachaza ukuthi inkinga enkulu ekhona ukuthi i-Reserve Bank okuyiyona ethatha iy'nqumo ekhipha ama-license ine-interest kakhulu kuma-private bank ngoba nayo i-privatized, kanti ukube i-ownwa yi-state beyizokwazi ukucabangela abantu kuqala, ithatha iy'nqumo ezizobhenefitha abantu, kodwa ngenxa yokuthi i-ownwa abantu abathize, i-private inabantu bayo edila nabo, so abananhloso yokuqeda inhlupheko kubantu. Ingakho-ke ethi if bebenesifiso sokuthuthukisa abantu beqeda indlala bebezowaphasisa lento. Khumbula ukuthi i-VPS phandle nje kwey'kanda ley'khona nayo yaphucwa ilayisensi iyo le Reserve Bank, ngapha i-Itala Bank for 65 years. Ngiyayibona 35 years zokuqala ngoba bekusohulumeni obandlululo, kodwa-ke kuyihlazo ukuthi ngathiwa in the past 30 years uhulumeni omnyama uhlulekile ukwenza isu lokuthi atholele i-Itala Bank i-license. Akuyihlazo sekuphethe uhulumeni omnyama. Ngizwile-ke kuthiwa i-Itala Bank liney'nkinga zey'mali, kodwa nje kwathi makuvela inkinga ye-Itala Bank wavela uMinister of Finance uGodongwana wathi kuno-2 billion abazokhipha ukusecure nje ukuthi iy'mali zabantu abadeposite kwi-Itala ukulahleka. Manje uyazibuza ukuthi if benemali engaka kungani bengalireskiwanga i-Itala. Ngifuna ukucaphunela isilo siza ukuthi sona sitheni nge-Itala Bank. Emveni kwalapho bese siyayivala ivideo, kodwa ngiyafisa ukuza ukuphawula kwakho ukuthi kuthini.
Nena besilo eyethala izolunga ngoba isifikile kumongameli, ifikile futhi nakupremier. Siphe kwayo siyayilungisa. Khona bangalifuni leli bhanga, thina siyalifuna. Akuyiwe inkantolo, akuvunyelwe umthetho uthathe indawo yakho ngoba sonke masingahlanganisa ishumi ngoba asazi ukuthi le license yethala ngempela. Sathi sivuke ekseni kuthiwa iThala lisena license. Manje into engena license ke uyikhulumela kanjani uthi yeka leyo nto leyo ayina license, ukhuluma into engena license. Futhi nje uyahema. Ngiyayifuna le license ibuye, le license kuhlalwe phansi etafuleni ikhulunywe xoxiswana. Uma ukuthi kunjani sonke siyohlanganisa amashumi la, uma ukuthi khona imali efunakalayo sibanike leyo mali ekuthiwa idliwe. Ayaziwa lapha eSouth Africa amabhange adla imali njengo VPS, cha yadliwa imali ibukhoma lapha. Ngeke sithini. Kodwa manje iThala ngokuthi nakho abantu bafuna ukuphelelwa zikweletu. Akekho umuntu ongenaso isikweletu lapha emhlabeni. Asibambisane ezulu omnyama amakhosi asedlunkulu. Udaba lweThala mina ngokubona kwami ezandleni izandla eziliphethe Shenge ngibona ukuthi ngathi kuzawulunga ngiyanikeza lelo themba ngoba nami qobo lwami ngizalandela lolu daba futhi ngizababambisa isinyathelo nesinyathelo mina ngizawubeka nje besobala nabesile ukuthi into ephazamisa ithala nengonyama trust niyothi ngasho khona iqembu elithile lepolitiki elinesandla semfene kulento niyothi ngasho
njengoba sizwa kusilo samabandla sithi besikhulume nomongameli saphinde sakhuluma noPrima ngimdlalile kubaba uNtuli ekuqaleni la mawukhumbula kahle kuyo le video la bekachaza khona indaba yeThala Bank akusindaba abazoyiyekelela njengoba kodwa isilo sishinto ebalekile izimo zanamhlanje ayifani nezimo zakuqala izimo zakuqala bungaphumela emgoqweni utoyitoyi kodwa ukutoyitoya ngeke size manje akiwe inkantolo kulingiswe kahle njengoba ethi nje kufuna kuhlanganiswe ishumi usho ngoba phela ukuye inkantolo kunezindleko kufuna kukhokhelwa abameli kufuna kulungiswe ini nanoma nale mali ekuthiwa iyafuneka uma bona njengamakhosi benendlela mhlambe kuyiraise imali bangayiraise kodwa mabe besebenza ngokubambisana bebeke ukuthi ithala leli liwumnotho kuhulumeni wakwaZulu liwumnotho futhi kubantu laba bakwaZulu Natal ngoba phela li base vele KZN mawucabanga nje le 400 abantu ekuthiwa basebenza under iThala Bank kuleyo exemption abayibenikezwe iReserve Bank ukuthi bangamukela ama deposit nje kuphela kodwa nje mangathiwa li fully functional as ibank likwazi ukwenza yonke into as ibank uyabona ukuthi kuzoqasheka abantu abaningi so ngaleso sizathu yingakho ubona ngathi kuyinto engathi bayayilandelela lifanele ukuthi siba support ngokucabanga kwami kule initiative abayishoyo futhi sililandele udaba khona kodwa nginethemba ukuthi uma beyingenelela njengoba kade umuzu Premier la uNdunankulu uNtuli ekhuluma wasizwa isilo samabandla sikhuluma kodwa inkinga enkulu uyishilo osesiomphile ukuthi iproblem ayisise kutheni abantu abamnyama bahluleka na ukwenza lezi zinto zenzeke na iVPS beside ukudliwa kweimali kodwa kukhona ibank elali was willing that bank was willing ukurescue iVPS kodwa iReserve Bank ayizange ivumele so ubona ukuthi abana ngizothina abana ntshisekelo ukuthi bathi ayilungise ukuze bayithole license babefuna nje iphutha elilodwa elizokwenza ukuthi bathi ya siyayithatha le license siyaniphuca lokuthi nibe mutual bank siyalivala angisazi ukuthi ubani okhulume ngalo phakathi kaMbalula uMbalula ngizokhumbula ukuthi ubekhuluma ngayo kodwa ngiyazi ukuthi after iJanuary 8 statement la khuluma khona ukuthi uhulumeni wabuzibophezela ukuthi kube khona izinto ukuthi bazibophezela ukuthi kunezinto abazozenza ukuze bavuselele indaba yeVPS ukuze igcine ibank elivukileyo aphinde futhi bavuselele indaba yeIthala Bank ukuthi ibe indaba ephilayo ngicela ukubona kwakho wena ngalokho Paul bengithi nje angithule le video kulomo yesilo yinde kakhulu ubekhuluma kakhulu ngengonyama trust nomzima abhekene nakho kodwa mina ngichange ngicaphuna le iThala Bank ngoba indaba esike sakhuluma ngayo wena noma kuthulekile kodwa ngikhalela nje labantu ekuthiwa bawu400 kule economy esiphila phansi kwayo asebephelele umsebenzi ngenxa ukuthi nje kuvalwe iThala Bank ngikhalela lo mndeni siyazi ke njengoba siphila uma kusebenza umuntu oyi1 emndenini mhlambe kunabantu abawu5 abawu6 abadepende kulowo muntu loyo kunezingane zesikole lapho kunamakhaya lapha abhekiwe so uyacabanga ukuthi yebo ukuphelela kwalomuntu oyi1 umsebenzi kodwa kunabantu abawu5 or 6 abazo affected ngenxa ukuphelela komsebenzi umuntu oyedwa yingakho ke ngine interest ekuyilandeleni indaba le yeIthala akusilolodwa uma nje kukhulunywa ukuthi abantu baphelelwa imisebenzi ngiyilandele indaba khona ngibheka ukuthi bengekho na indlela engenziwa ngayo phandle mangathiwa ke ikhampani le ine competition ayisayenzi imali, ama-client abalekela kwenye, lapho-ke isuyingekho into engenziwa. Kodwa usukubona abantu abaningi bazophuma emsebenzini kule economy esiphila kuso, kule simo esiphila kuso nje sezomnotho. Akukho mnandi ukuzwa ukuthi kunabantu abaphelelwe umsebenzi, akukho mnandi. Ukuretrenchwa kunzima, ngeke ngababona abantu beretrenchwa kunzima uplanele iy'ngane zakho ukuthi ufuna ukuzisaphi ngokwesikole. Mase uphelelwe umsebenzi usungasazi ukuzokwenza njani. Izinto-ke ziyabiza, impilo iyadura, phila nje ukuthenga ukudla nje kukodwa kuyabiza. Asethemba ukuthi njengoba upresident naye ethembisisile noPrima naye wasithembisa ukuthi cha bazokwenza konke okusemandleni. Kodwa nje indlela elula nebayikhuluma kiyo ukuthi akwenziwe izinto ngey'nkantolo ngomthetho, ngoba ukutoyitoya akwakhi lutho. Hhayi, kunalokho nje konokunye. Asethembe ukuthi bazolisukumela udaba lakhona kube udaba olulungayo. Ngiyabonga kakhulu mina ngesikhathi sakho, ngiyacela ukuza ukuphawula kwakho. Mina nawe asidibane kwividiyo elandelayo. Ngiyabonga.